Shalom, Manishma. Hi, what do you hear? I hope all is well with you. It's once again time for Ivrit. The name of our Torah portion this week is Korach, and it has a dual meaning. One, it is the name of a man, and two, it means bald. Let's turn to page 39 of our Jot and Tittle workbook. In beginning our lesson today, I would like to make one point of emphasis. If you look at the bottom of your page 39, there's a little note in italics. It says, not all the words listed above have very much to do with Korach's name. It is interesting, however, to notice how one little vowel change can make an entirely new word. As we start out today with our related words, we're going to see how many words, even spelled the same, mean something much different. For example, look at the first related word, Korach. That's a man's name. Next we have Korach ve'adato, which means like Korach and his faction or his congregation. Next we have the word Korach. This means ice. If you're sitting in a restaurant in Israel and they bring you mayim, or water, and it's not cold, you could ask for Korach bevakasha, ice please. However, if you had that same glass of water in front of you and you asked for Korach, the waitress might look at you and think it were a bit weird. You see, Korach means to make bald. So the next time you go to Israel, be very careful that you ask for Korach, not Korach. The next related word we have is karcha, which means the bald spot. It can also mean a bare place or a forest clearing. Next we have the word karchon. This is an iceberg. And last we have a karchan, an ice vendor. Karchan, however, can also mean bald or hairless. So it's very interesting to notice and take very special note of our pronunciation of Hebrew words, because as you see, the slightest vowel change can make a completely new meaning. Okay, let's read now Numbers chapter 16, verses 1 and 2. I will read the entire scripture, and you can follow along in your Torah scroll, and after that, we will go line by line, and I'll leave some time to repeat. Let's begin. Vayikach Korach ben Yitzchar ben Kahat ben Levi Vedatan ve'Aviram bnei Eliav ve'on ben Pelet bnei Ruven ve'yakumu lifnei Moshe. Okay, let's go line by line. The first line, which means, and now took Korach, Vayikach Korach, the second line explains who he is. Ben Yitzchar, ben Kahat, ben Levi. The son of Yitzhar, the son of Kahat, the son of Levi. The third line, Vedatan ve'Aviram bnei Eliav. And Datan and Aviram, the sons of Eliav. The fourth line, Ve'on ben Pelet bnei Ruvain. and On, the son of Pelet, the sons of Reuben. Our last line means, and they rose up before Moshe. Vayakumu lifnei Moshe. Excellent pronunciation. Keep up the hard practice. I would like to point something out here before we close our lesson for today. You will notice in the fourth line, I pronounced the fourth word in Bnei Reuven instead of Bano or Banav. The Vav after the word Ben, before the word Reuven, is a typo. It should be a Yud. Now notice here we have a lot of names and we're discussing the lineage of each one of these people. Korach is Ben Yitzchar, Ben Kahat, Ben Levi, the son of Yitzchar, the son of Kahat, the son of Levi. But then when we come down to the third line and we're talking about Detan and Aviram, we say that they are Bnei Eliav. The difference between Ben and Bnei is that Ben is singular and Bnei is plural. Of course, we have to use the plural form when we're talking about two people, Datan ve'Aviram. They are Bnei. However, Korach is Ben Yitzchar, Ben Kahat, Ben Levi. Well, that's all we have time for once again, but keep up your studying and continue to learn to recognize the roots of your Hebrew words. Many blessings on your week. Litrot.